It is day 11 of the farmer protests, and there seems to be no end to this deadlock between the centre and the farmers. At the moment, the farmers are sitting in protest in Delhi borders. They're adamant on their demands to roll back the new farm laws. Third round of talks with the centre ended inconclusively last evening. Farmers have set their call for Bharat Bandh on 8th December, and protests will continue till the government gives a clear yes or no in answer in the next meeting scheduled for 9th December. The government tried convincing the farmers for amendments instead of rolling back the laws. Union Agricultural Minister Narendra Singh Tomar has said that the MSP will continue to stay and they are ready to clear all the doubts that the farmers would have.
किसानों के हितों के प्रति मोदी जी की सरकार प्रतिबद्ध है, तो जो कुछ होगा या जो कुछ किया जाएगा वो सिर्फ किसानों के हित में ही होगा। इसका भरोसा देश के किसानों को रखना चाहिए।
जो जिसके हाथ में है काम करने के लिए वो आदमी सामने नहीं है, तो जो मंत्री वे आ रहे हैं तो उनके भी ऊपर कुछ कोई है कंसल्ट। उन्होंने कहा कि हम स्टेटू से कंसल्ट करेंगे, हम अधिकारी से बात करेंगे, बात कर रहे, लेकिन अभी रिजल्ट नहीं निकल पाए पूर्ण रूप से। हम ये चाहते हैं कि जो बिल है ये वापसी हो जाए, अगर जरूरत होगी तो नया बिल फिर बना लेंगे।
सरकार ने 9 तारीख को हमारे को बुलाया है, मीटिंग रखी है दोबारा, पर सरकार हम समझते हैं कि सरकार पूरी तरह दबाव के नीचे है। जो हमारी जथेबंदियों का स्पष्ट एजेंडा है, जो मुद्दा है, हमारा मतलब है कि ये कानून पूरे रद्द होने चाहिए और हम करवा के रहेंगे।
जो सरकार है अभी, ये इसकी नीति और नीयत ठीक नहीं है, इस घोल को लंबा करनी चाहती है, तो इसको किसी न किसी तरीके से फेल भी करना चाहती है। अभी बार बार मीटिंगें करने का क्या मतलब है? वो तो एक ही बात है कि हम बोलते हैं कि इन ऑर्डिनेंस को रद्द करो, सरकार बोलती है ये रद्द हो नहीं सकते, इसमें सुधार हो सकता है।
जितनी बार वार्ता विफल रहेगी उतना देश जाग रहा है। मोदी जी को उनकी एजेंसियां नहीं बता रही सही बात कि देश किस तरह जाग रहा है। जितने रोज से हम आए हैं, रोज दी रोज जो गिनती है रोज की रोज बढ़ रही है। पूरे देश से किसान है, 900 किलोमीटर से हजार किलोमीटर से किसानों का समर्थन आ रहा है। इसलिए हम कहना चाहते हैं हम जीत रहे हैं, सरकार हार रही है।
Right now I am at Ghazipur border, and if you can see straight from the visual, security has been tightened and there is a 3-layer of the security. First layer of security is headed by Inspector Satbir Singh, which is administratively having experience of farmers' protest of a long year, and you can see the paramilitary forces is also deployed here for checking any untoward situation at the Ghazipur border. There is no any restrictions for the movement of vehicles which is coming from Delhi to Noida, and they are taking left turn to go in Ghaziabad. If we can see that traffic movement from Ghaziabad to Delhi and vice versa is proper in the morning, and on a progressive day security will be tightened, and all the police officers keeping an eye over all the situation which is happening at Ghazipur border. And you know very well there is a 3-day with the farmers that they will negotiate with the government, and they are also expecting some outcome on 3 farmers law, which is called by the farmers that these all are anti-farm law. With camera person Pradeep Gupta in Delhi, this is Ram Kinkar Singh for India Today.
Mishra joining us, reporting from the Singhu border. Ashutosh, why don't you bring us up to speed in terms of where the deadlock really stands? The last we spoke, there was a deadlock. There was no midway that the farmers or the central government ended up coming to a plausible resolution to. And that only means one thing, that the indefinite strikes are going to continue. But just to steer away a little, if you could tell us, what is the sentiment amidst the farmers as we speak?
So the farmers have made it very clear during the 5th round of the meeting that until and unless these laws are rolled back, they are not going to step back. So that one thing they have made it very clear. As far as the allegations are coming out that there are only farmers from Punjab, then there are only farmers from Haryana, you have seen that how the farmers from different states are also extending support. In fact, here at Singhu border, I've also met the farmers from Maharashtra who are extending support to this agitation. And the biggest issue that remains is the the issue of the MSP. As far as these laws are concerned, these farmers are rigid that this has to be rolled back. Several allegations are from a section of society being made on these, and that is somewhere also hurting their sentiments. But keeping those things beside, they are on here at this point that until these laws are rolled back, they are not going home back. It's the 11th day, and imagine 11 days they are out of their family. They have kept their family back at home, and here standing at Sindhu border. And you know, it's difficult to bringing all your essential items and then survive in this chilling temperature. But here these farmers are joining me here. सरकार ये नहीं कह रही है कि कानून वापस होगा, तो रास्ता कैसे निकलेगा? कब तक सीमा बंद रहेगी? आप कब तक यहाँ रहेंगे?
जब तक सरकार हमारी मांगे नहीं मान लेती, जब तक सरकार हमारी मांगे नहीं मान लेती, तब तक ऐसे ही चलेगा, क्योंकि हर रास्ता आंदोलन के रास्ते से जाता है। पहले बहुत नरमाई से काम चलता है, फिर थोड़ी सख्ताई आ जाती है। किसान तब तक नहीं उठेगा जब तक उसकी बात नहीं मानी जाएगी।
स्कूल वाले बच्चे भी चल पैणगे, स्कूल वाले बच्चे हैं वो भी चल पैणगे दोबारा।
स्कूल के बच्चे आएंगे,
स्कूल के बच्चे भी आएंगे।
लेकिन एक MSP की बात थी, अगर गवर्नमेंट ये अश्योर कर देती है कि MSP अगर दी जाती है, तो क्या एक रास्ता वो निकल सकता है?
बिल्कुल निकल सकता है जी। गवर्नमेंट जाएगी तो सब कुछ हो सकता है। हमें कोई शौक तो है नहीं, हमारा परिवार छोड़ के हम यहाँ बैठे हैं। ठीक है जी, जो बुजुर्ग है हमारे, वो हमारी पगड़ी है। अगर हमारी पगड़ी को कोई छेड़ेगा तो फिर तो नौजवान भड़केगा। बाद में ये बोलते हैं कि खालिस्तानी। जितना लेने को हमें जल्दी नहीं है, शायद मोदी जी को जल्दी है देने की। ठीक है जी, तो हरियाणा वाले भाई भी बैठे।
ये बताइए, कितने दिन से आप लोग हैं यहाँ पे?
हम तो इतने 3-4 दिन हुए हैं।
और आपके घर पर कौन है?
घर पे भी सब घर दे भी आए हुए नाल ही, कल्ले बच्चे रह गए।
सबको लेके आए?
हाँ, उन्होंने भी वो दोबारा भी आएंगे, अस फिर दोबारा आएंगे, वापस जाके दोबारा।
And every day the support is being extending. I've seen families are coming from Ludhiana, Amritsar, Taran. So because the senior most family members are here, the rest of the family is also joining them here. It's been 11 days, and again the meeting, they are waiting for the next round of meeting, which will be held on 9th of December. But before the big showdown that these farmers have given a call for Bharat Bandh, that is on 8th of December. And that's exactly why they are calling all the farmers from different states that they should also extend and join this protest. But in the meanwhile, have to see whether the government takes any decision to step back on these laws, because the farmers are rigid. Until it is rolled back, they won't go back.
All right, Ashutosh, getting us all those reactions right there and a thorough ground report on what is going on at the moment. Ashutosh, I'm going to keep coming back to you for more on the story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.